Welcome to my channel viewers. Today in this video I will explain you a poem of NCERT book First Flight from Standard 10. The name of the poem is Fire and Ice and the poet's name is Robert Frost. He is one of the most leading and famous poets of America. He has written many popular poems such as The Road Not Taken, Mending Wall, Dust of Snow and so on. Although Fire and Ice is a simple and short poem of 9 lines, yet through this short poem, the poet has given the broad messages for the readers that how the earth will end in negative forces of fire and ice. Actually, both fire and ice have been used as metaphors in this poem. The term fire symbolizes greed, lust, conflict, etc., while ice has been equated with hatred and insensitivity. Now, let us read the poem line by line. Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. The poet has mentioned in these lines that some people say the world will end in fire, while others say that it will end in ice. Viewers, the poet has equated the term fire with greed, cruelty, lust, and anger, while he has equated the term ice with hatred. The poet has mentioned the two ways in which the world will end. Both the fire and ice are negative forces. That is why some people say that the world will end in the fire of greed, conflict, etc., while some other people think that the world will end in hatred because it is also destructive in nature. Now the next line. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. In these lines, the poet agrees with the opinion of those people who think that the world will end in fire, means in anger or cruelty. The poet agrees with that group of people. Next line, viewers. But it had to perish twice. I think I know enough of hate. Viewers, here one new word has been mentioned, perish. Perish means to die. Perish means to die. However, in these lines, the poet says if the world had to die or destroy the second time, then the poet knows much about the second agent of destruction, that is ice. Next line, viewers. To say that for destruction ice is also great and would suffice. The poet in these lines says that ice is also sufficient to destroy the world because it is also destructive in nature. Viewers, here ice symbolizes or stands for hatred or indifference. Remember viewers, mainly two questions are asked from this poem in the board examination. The first one is, what do you mean by terms fire and ice? Answers will be, fire means anger or cruelty and ice means excessive coldness of hatred or indifference. And the second question is, how will the world end? Answer of this question is, the world will end in two ways. First of all, it will end in anger or cruelty, and the second time, if it had to die or destroy, then it will destroy in ice. That symbolizes hatred or indifference. Thank you viewers for watching my video. Do like, subscribe and share my video among your friends. Have a nice day.